Hi, hello, good morning, children. Welcome to our science class. This is our Unit 4 Science in Our Everyday Life continuation. Today, we are going to see the chapter Food Materials. What is food? Food is one of the basic needs of our life. Food provides energy. It is usually made by cooking plants or animals. It contains essential nutrients to keep our body healthy. So, needs of food gives energy, promotes growth, improves immunity, help our body repair itself. This food can be classified into two types. First one, raw food. Second, cooked food. Raw food is a food that does not have to be cooked to eat. We can be eat without cooking. For example, fruits, carrot, groundnut, seeds. Second, cooked food. Cooked food is the food that has been cooked to eat. Examples: rice, vegetable, curry, bread. So food can classified into two types. Do you know how many food items are there that you will not be able to eat without cooking? Cooking is important. It makes food suitable for consumption. So what are the methods of cooking? Can you say, children? Yes. Boiling, steaming, frying, deep frying, roasting and grilling. These are the methods of cooking. So what are the benefits of cooking? Cooking causes many useful changes in food. So what are the useful changes? First one, it makes nutrients ready for digestion. Second, it helps to make food in the desired texture, flavor and taste. Third one, it destroyed harmful microbes. So these are the benefits of cooking. See, now you say, children, say two examples of raw food: carrot and cucumber. And two examples of cooked food: vegetable curry and bread. These are the examples of cooked food. See, children, next one, packing of bread, biscuit and cake. Packing is the method of cooking. We use dry heat to pack bread, biscuit and cake or some examples of packed food items. First one, bread. Bread is a common food item prepared by packing the stuff. It is an important source of energy for sick people. It is also one of the ancient food made by humans. Bread is a low-fat food. Bread has the nutrients required for normal development and good health. To make bread, we need wheat flour, yeast, water, sugar and salt. Do you know, children, bread spoils 6 times faster when kept in fridge than at room temperature. Next packing item is biscuit. Biscuit is a small flour-based packed food. It is generally made of wheat flour or oats and sweetened with sugar. The main ingredients of biscuit are flour, sugar, butter, water, milk, packing powder and flavors. Biscuits are salty or sweet. Some biscuits have cream in between. So children, biscuits are made with packing powder to make it airy. The next packing food is cake. Cake is a packed dessert. It is like a sweet bread. There are many varieties of cake with specific ingredients. We use cake during celebrations. The common ingredients of the cake are flour, sugar, eggs, oil, packing powder and flavoring agent. So these are the packing is a method of cooking. Now next, gadget. Nowadays electronic device we use every day. The phone that we use, the camera that comes with us on every vacation. The TV that we watch for fun, all these devices that we use are called gadgets. A gadget is a small electronic machine or device which does something useful. Number of gadgets have changed our lives. They made our lives enjoyable. For example, laptop, phone, camera, pen drive, speaker. Let us see one by one, children. Smartphone. Apart from communication, smartphones have the ability to access the internet and store files, take photos, track locations and much more. Then portable music player. It stores and plays thousands of songs. We can listen to songs anywhere and anytime. Then next gadgets, tablets. People use tablets to read books, play games and watch videos. Next one, pen drive. It is a small gadget used for storing and transferring any type of file in from a computer. Next one is electric torch. Portable hand-held electric light. Torch is used to provide light in the dark places when it's switched on. So these are the examples of gadgets. Okay children, we completed our lessons. Thank you children.